the Kenmore Sears. I'm just winding up the bobbin. And you can do it this way, and then you can also hold this green part and twist this middle cylinder so then it disengages the needle. And I just like to hold this and put that around the knob. Make sure it doesn't get caught under. And then when we thread it, we take the needle or the thread, wrap it around this loop, come down here and bring it to the line closest to this little tab part. So not, you'll see like two little notches and it's the farthest one back right before this. Then you take the string, bring this up so it loops around here, click it into place there. Slide it through here, clip it in there, bring it down to the left needle slot, and from here we'll twist our needle back in place and threading the needle. My light bulb is broken right now, so I just ordered another one, so I'm using this light here. And just bring it under the presser foot. We'll take off our bobbin, place it into the bobbin carriage or whatever it's called. Place this in here until it pops into place. I like to hold on to this string, and now your machine is threaded. Right now I have on the Q foot from Kenmore Sears. It's for fabrics, like sheer fabrics, to keep them together.